Today we're making warm, chewy chocolate chip cookies. They're simple, easy, and delicious. I start off with 1 stick of melted butter. Then I'm adding a combination of white and light brown sugar. I want to mention that some recipes call for softened butter, but I really like the flavor that melting it gives the cookies. Before adding the other ingredients, I'm just giving this a really good mix to kind of dissolve the sugar into the butter. This gives it a nice, smooth texture. Next, I'm adding vanilla. For this recipe, I use Mexican vanilla, but you can use any vanilla extract that you have on hand. Then, add the egg. It's important that the egg is added only when the butter mixture has cooled down. Otherwise, you'll cook the egg and have to start over. If you're new here, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments below if you've made this recipe and how it turned out. Once everything is well combined, add the baking soda and water mixture along with the salt. Be sure to mix this really well to spread evenly throughout. Last but not least, I'm adding all-purpose flour and chocolate chips. If you really like chocolate, you can adjust the recipe and add more mini morsels, or you can use larger sized chocolate chips, whichever you prefer. At this point, I'm just going to keep mixing until the flour is completely incorporated with the rest of the ingredients. I've tried mixing this with a whisk, and it wasn't entirely practical, so I like to keep using the spatula. This also helps to scrape the extra goodies from the sides of the bowl. With the dough ready, I'm creating 1.5-inch balls. To form the cookies, use either 2 spoons or a medium-sized ice cream scoop. Now I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 11 minutes or until golden brown, baking them at 350 degrees. Take them out of the oven and let them cool down. And there you have it, delicious chocolate chip cookies with a slight crispy edge and chewy center. You have to try this recipe out.